is peace. Peace. Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's me, Bakisa, and welcome back to the Canva Cafe. I think this is day number 4 of Canvamas, and we're going to be doing an Acuity site. And the main thing you need to know is that the dimensions will be 2000 pixels by 1000 pixels, and this is what it's going to look like after we're done. So you just go to custom size and put in 2000 by 1000 pixels. Some people do 1080 by 2000, but this is what we're going to use today. And a lot of it is just, you can just look and follow along with what I'm doing because it'll be custom to your site. I'm just uploading an image, so that would be either your picture or your client or what have you. I'm just making up a fictitious site, and I'm going to change up the font. That one was cute, but I decided to use another one. And so you can just look and watch at what I'm doing. I'm just making as many pages that I need to make according to how many pages you need for your website. And after a while, I just decided to cut and paste from my original one just so the video wouldn't be so long. You can always pause it to check out the details. And I do try to hover over some of the elements so you can see what they say and what they're called in case you want to use it. And a lot of these models I got them off of Etsy under, her name is Alluring, what is her name? Artificially Alluring, over on Etsy, I do believe. And I've used some of her images before and tagged her in my YouTube tutorials. So like I said, it's just a look and watch, and I guess look and watch means the same thing. And like I said, I'm just gonna eventually just copy and paste from my original design, just because I wanted to save time, because all these things are specific to your site. Then when you get through with all your pages, you would just share and download it as a JPEG, because that's supposed to enable it to fit the size for your Acuity site. Now, disclaimer, I do not have an Acuity site. I make my own website through Canva, so I have no use for an Acuity. But if it doesn't fit the sizing, which it still should, when you download, you can always press the button that says compressed files, and that'll shrink the file down. It's the same thing as when people upload this to, there's another website that people use where it's compressed file or something like that, but Canva allows you to do the same thing. So I hope you enjoyed this look and learn. I'm just trying to pump these out for Canvamas and just have you have something. And I'm so late because today was my daughter's birthday. She turned 14, so let's wish Cypress a happy birthday down in the comments section. I'm going to insert at the end, if you want to stay tuned, for just a little insert of her birthday today, December 4th. Oh, I'm so tired. And once again, if you want a detailed tutorial, just let me know and I can make a step-by-step tutorial. And right here, like I said, I'm just downloading as a JPEG, and or you can compress the files. And then you would just go to your Acuity site, and on the left hand side you will select customize appearance. Then you will select your file and upload all your images and just save changes. And then if you want to do multiple pages, every time you select one, you would just hit the back button so that there's no space in between the images on your Acuity site. And I hope this helps. And this is what all the individual pages would look like that you would upload in your Acuity site if you were uploading them one by one. and drop a birthday emoji in the comments to wish Cypress a happy 14th birthday. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Bye.
All I want for Christmas is peace. Peace.